Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath there's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you an illuminated start on the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist. Also includes the appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. Black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Third row seating. Trailer hitch. GLS 450 4MATIC pack badging. Fold down rear seats, clean set of floor mats, power liftgate. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist. Also includes the premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. Also comes with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLS has 29,635 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.